Look, Crowsy. Nice big hoof draft here, just above the old crow's nest there. Right above me now, so the jot one, it'll hit me on head. That camera lens. Quite a number. Hey, what's that there? There's a buzzard on outskirts, look. They're mobbing it. You can see it there. It's on outskirts. It's coming up as white. That's a seagull, that one. That's the buzzard there. That's the buzzard right there, look. Black tipped. That's the seagull. Oh, there it is. That's the buzzard. There's two buzzards. One seagull. That's buzzard going off now. Oh, I bet you can't see it as usual. There's another buzzard gone. There's two of them. That's the seagull. There he is. Just in front of crows there. He's there now, look. Can't look through the screen and my eyes at the same time. There's the old buzzard right above me now. He's going to soar off now. Well, you will not see it, will you? I don't know how bother. There's a bright sun blinding you. Let's get the going today, the crow's nest there. Cheerio.